Zinc food for stronger erection. That is what I am going to share in today's video. But what is zinc? Zinc is a vitamin that you need in your body as a man to perform well. Once you have sufficient zinc in your body system, you can never experience anything like erectile dysfunction or weak erection and quick ejaculation. Zinc will help you get rid of all this. But there are food that you need to eat and there are food that you need to avoid. But in today's video, I am going to share with you food that contains zinc. On how you consume this food, you are going to have high content of zinc, which will help you to perform well as a man. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know zinc food for stronger erection. And my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men, natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. What are the food for zinc, or what are the zinc food for stronger erection? They are: number one, seed. What do I mean by seed? There are seed that you will take. They will be good for your health, and there are the ones that you need to avoid in order to be the best you want to be. So the good ones you need to take are many, but I am going to tell you one most important seed that you need to consume just like a man in order to perform well. What is the name of that seed? Pumpkin seed. This pumpkin seed is very good and contain high content of zinc, which you need to consume to be the best man you want to be. Once you consume this pumpkin seed, it will help you to get a stronger erection and also help you to boost up your immune system and to make you to have a good erection. So that is it. Number two is nuts. Maybe it can be any seed or any nuts that will help you to increase your zinc content. But the best nut you need to consume in order to get zinc is cashew nuts. So cashew nuts is one of the best nuts that every man need to consume in order to increase high content of zinc in your body system. And on how you consume cashew nut consistently, not only that you get high zinc in your body system, but it will also give you a healthy sperm and make you to have a good sperm in your body system. So consuming nuts like cashew nuts will increase your zinc, which will help you to have a good erection. Number three is egg. Egg is a healthy food. In fact, one of the best, healthiest food that any man need to consume. Egg contains zinc and also help you to last longer as a man. Egg has a natural cholesterol. So with cholesterol, you will have a good testosterone. So if you keep consuming egg at least once a week, it will increase your zinc content. Number four is meat. The more you consume meat, the more your zinc content increases in your body system. So meat is very good, especially white meat, that is chicken or turkey, or even pork meat can help you to increase your zinc content. Number five is beans. Beans is a natural source of protein which every man need to consume in order to be the best. So beans also contains zinc, which every man needs to consume in order to increase zinc content. But bear in mind that zinc is very, very important in every man's life, because as a man, zinc will improve your immune system. Zinc will help you to destroy erectile dysfunction, and zinc will also help you to get a stronger erection as a man. So that is why you need to consume all this food in order to increase your zinc content in your body system. So take all this food consistently. You will have a testimony. You will be happy that you did. So that is what I want to share in today's video, and that is it for today's video. If you get value, consider to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for watching this video. I wish you good luck. See you in my next video once again. Bye.